it filming? Oh. Hey guys, today I just want to tell you guys what I was doing and how's it going these days since you guys asked. I just did my nail. I'm waiting for them to dry a little bit. I don't know. I gotta still put this paper in the middle of the tiny thing. So like this. And like this. Then just my hand. I only did my hand, but I'm tell ruined. Anyway, so yeah, like this. You don't want to do it. So I just wanted to make this tiny video. I don't know why I even made the video. I want to show you guys something that I got new. Sorry, I was playing with it. Sitting there and playing with it. Yes. I want to go. I'm going back to Curacao tomorrow. Not tomorrow, but I mean Sunday. Sunday I'm going back to Curacao. No. Yeah, we're entering the plane TUI. We're going in TUI. The plane TUI, because we're not in Holland. We're going entering the plane Monday. Yeah, and we'll be in Curacao Monday too. Yeah, so I'm gonna be in Curacao Monday too. Because we're gonna enter the plane, the first plane in the day. Yeah. It's gonna be sad. But I will still make videos in Curacao. Am I gonna do this? See how it turns out to be. Okay, let's see my face. It's not that well. I think this is better. Now with a smile on my face. That is so good. Oh no, I destroyed it. Ew, it enters my mouth. See? Oh no, why do I always destroy? And I want to take a picture of it. Ew. Ah! It always does that. Oh! That was so cool. I'll be your right eyes tonight. I won't let go. Did you guys see that new song from Cold Water? Justin Bieber. I'll be your signs tonight. Here's how I can actually start doing films from Sims. See? 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 I'm actually getting my nail polish off. It's a mess. I'm gonna get it all off. I'm gonna do more of a mess and I'm gonna get it all off. Oh my gosh. guys, I just saw a tail of a tornado. I'll be right back. Is that a tail of a tornado? Like a tornado tail. Everyone's going chasing it. We need to go in the basement. So guys, we're going in the basement. There's a tornado tail on the way. Okay. Oh, okay. So I'm just gonna go outside and see if the tornado is a really big tornado, you know? Wait for me, guys. I actually leave that open. Is this way or this way? Yeah. So yeah. Just gonna do that. If you guys wanna see, here you go. I think this is enough. I'm gonna do just all of it. I don't know how much is enough. I think this is enough. Like this. Like that. I think this is too much. Let me ask. I need to do it more. I was like, wow. Like everything. Like everything. Like this. I'm like super scared. How I need to do this. I think like this. I think that this is probably good. I think it's too much. Now it's too much. I'll just do it like this. Yeah, there. Like that. Okay. So yeah, what were we talking about? Let me close this door. About my nails. Yeah. So yeah, since the tornado tail is coming, that's why we actually put that out. So that maybe the tornado won't hit us very hard. I'm like super scared. Need to watch the news if you want to know. So I'm gonna watch the news. I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm gonna watch the news. So guys, I finished watching the news, and the news said that today's gonna be a tornado tail, and tomorrow's gonna be a whole big tornado. Not super big, but I mean a big tornado. A tornado that people can go with it. Not the tornado cannot really break houses, roofs maybe, but houses I don't think so. But it's gonna be a tornado tomorrow, so we should be ready for the tornado for tomorrow. We're gonna pack. We're gonna go to the airport, and we're gonna see if we can get a flight to other land, and we'll come back I guess in 2 weeks. Back in Holland. Wait, I need to go to Curacao. I think we're just gonna stay in Holland and go in the basement. That's what we're gonna do. My mom told us that we need to pack, but I'm gonna tell my mom, remember we need to go to Curacao. Maybe we'll go to Curacao. I don't know. I don't know. So I'm gonna make a musical.ly. I like making musical.lys. Okay, sorry. I was just kidding. I wasn't making any stupid musical.ly. Musical.ly is not stupid. Ooh, I called musical.ly stupid. I did not call musical.ly stupid, but I'm not making any musical.ly. This phone doesn't even have battery. You don't even have battery, so get out of here. So, yeah. Yeah, come on. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and play some Minecraft on my iPad. That rhymes. That totally rhymes. I finally got something that rhymes. I'm super tired. I don't know why. I think I'm drunk. Well, you can always say maybe to a lady. Winky, 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 winky. I actually cannot do any winkies. Yeah, so now let's get started by preparing for the tornado. I'm not even watching the camera. There we go. I'll be your dog. Okay, I'm not filming with the camera. I'm filming with the phone. Say hi. Hello. It's me. Okay, guys, so yeah, I just wanted to say this is part 1 of the tornado. The tornado tale. Yeah. This is part 1. I'm gonna make part 2 today. I'll upload it today too, but this is part 1. Because the tornado right now, everyone's going with the train. Everyone's going to Amsterdam. Amsterdam. Damn, Daniel. Amsterdam. I'm going to go to Amsterdam. Oh no, my nail polish. I'm going to Amsterdam actually Saturday. Saturday morning, jumped out of bed and put on my best suit. Got in my car and raced like a jet all the way to Amsterdam. Knocked on the train with a hope in my hand to don't get hit by a tornado. Yeah, and that's the song. Can I get a train for the rest of my life? Say yes, cause I don't want to get hit by a tornado. Why does the tornado need to come? Don't the tornado know that we don't want to die? I think the tornado does know that. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later on part. Peace out on part 2. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I don't think you guys enjoyed because tornado is right now hitting our roof. You can see the wind and rain are very hard.